Welcome to review of Bellroy's Lite Pouch series. These are made from recycled plastic and these are 3 times lighter. This is a pencil case and this comes in a big pouch. I usually keep my toiletries, my eye glass cleaner, nitty gritty, and this comes with 2 pockets actually. I keep my watch and some card, another watch, and these pockets are pretty big actually. So this comes from here to all the way to the just before the bottom, so it doesn't touch. So you can see YKK water resistant zipper and also some hook. I wish they had another hook here so that when you're zipping up, but yeah, maybe an improvement. And regarding the pencil case, it's also PU coated zipper, comes with the same loop on one side, and I usually keep my medications, so some medications, and it's just one compartment, there's no pocket. Considering the size, it doesn't move actually. But this is pretty compact, and you can see a humongous stuff you can actually fill up. It's vertical and also expand on the side, so you can see I can literally fit in all my stuff, my eye drop, moisturizer, card, Apple Watch, my watch, and still have plenty of space. Sometimes you need a bit of rearrangement because of the volume, but it's okay. Considering how voluminous, yeah, pretty good.